Hello my sweethearts. Today we are doing a 26-inch medium twist. You guys, I really like it. It's my first time doing it, so work with me. All right, let's get started. Okay, we are doing a rubber band method, so make sure you oil up your rubber bands so they won't break your hair off when you're putting them in. I'm starting off with washed and stretched hair. You guys, I can't wait to get started on this. I've been trying to do this style for at least a couple months now, so I'm ready. Remember, we are going to be oiling up our hair. This is one thing we have to do. One thing I prefer, especially when you're locking your hair into any type of braid, twist, or crochet. This hair I got it from Amazon. It's a ombre. It looks like burgundy and black, but it's cute. It's a new color on me. I'm just trying something out new. There's nothing wrong with trying something new. And I always spray my hair with shampoo spray, because remember, your hair is coming from shops and trucks and it's in other people's care, so you don't really want that on your hair. I'm doing a close-up on this rubber band method, you guys, to show you just how tight or how loose, I'm twisting, putting the rubber band. It seems like it might be tight at first, but once you get to twisting, it actually loosens up. So it's up to you on how tight or loose you want your hair. I'm using 24-hour edge tamer to lock in my hair with the synthetic hair, just so it can blend in well, so it won't become a flyaway, so you won't have to cut your hair, you know what I mean? I am knotting this up at the end. I'm just putting a knot on it. A lot of people would dip it in hot water. I actually am not going to dip it in hot water today. I'm just going to knot it in and just look how good it looks. It looks like it's setting real nice. I'm not bothered by it. This is the style actually that I'm going for. I'm not going for a twist that is like perfect. I'm going for a twist that has crinkles on the end. Just not a perfect twist, but I enjoy this twist. I decided to put the 24-hour edge tamer on my hair first and then twist it up. I think that's easier that way anyway. So you tell me what you think. As you can see, my parts, they are not straight. They are not boxed. I wanted my parts to be swirled or, curvy, if you will. I just wanted to put something different on my head, you know what I mean? I like different. I don't like same, you know what I mean? So different is good. So tell me what you think about that. Alright, my sweethearts, this style only took me actually 2 hours and 45 minutes. I actually was kind of rushing. I was in crunch for time. My son had football pictures to take, and I was rushing. I was just looking at the time, looking at it, checking time, making sure that I was going to get there and get him there on time. So there was some steps that I did off camera. I put my mousse in off camera, and I think that was the only thing that I did off camera. So sweethearts, I know there are steps that I probably missed. I will be doing these again because I do want to perfect it. Practice does not make perfect. It makes you better. So the more you do it, the more practice you take and do on something, the better you get. I don't know about perfect, but that's just that. So I will be trying this again on different colors and lengths, and if you have any, suggestions, please let me know. It'd be great. Okay, my sweethearts, we are on the last twist. All right, I think I'm getting better at it, doing so many of them in a row. I think my technique is pretty cool, and I think it's kind of easy. So if you can look at that close up, get you close up and personal with the twist and show you just how easy it is. It's really easy. It's got to roll with the punches. You got to go with the flow. You guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and most definitely subscribe. I am waiting on you to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for tuning in with me and being a part of my team. I love you guys even if I don't know you. As you guys can see, I am using Murray's wax. I do love 24-hour edge tamer. To be honest, lately this 24-hour edge tamer it's been turning white around my edges, and I do not appreciate that. So this Murray's, when you put it on, it's white already, but it dries. And when it dries, it's not white anymore. So I'm just going to try this out. If you guys have any more or suggestions on a good edge tamer, please let me know in the comments. Please share. Let me know what's the best one for me, because I really am looking. I hear a lot, see a lot of them. There's Boost, and I just really need a good one. So if you could, please let me know. Thank you so much. Okay guys, see you next time. I'm thinking about you. I hope you're thinking about me. See you next time. Bye.